Question 7. The following figure shows an isosceles triangle MLN. The height of the triangle is 5 cm and angle MLN is 50 degrees. On the figure, use a ruler and a pair of compass only to construct the locus of point P such that angle MNP is 50 degrees. So when you're given the locus, you have to remember that when you're dealing with the locus, the angle, if you're given an angle, this one is angle subtended at circumference by a chord. That angle should be the same. The angle subtended the circumference by a chord, that angle should always be the same. This angle and this angle and this angle. So your work here is to draw that circle, and you're given this chord MN. So you're going to bisect this line. Put your compass here, pair of compass, make an arc. The same here, make an arc. Then you draw your line there. Again, you stand here, and this point you're going to bisect this line also, an arc, bisect that line also. After bisecting where they meet, the two line bisectors meet, then that one becomes the center of your circle. You are going to draw, then it is going to touch those two vertices like that. So at any point when we join this chord MN towards the circumference, the angle subtended will always be 50 degrees. Then locate the point Q such that the area of triangle MQN is half triangle MLN. So the area is usually half base times height, and your height here is given as 5 cm. So we need another triangle. They have the same base. Since they have the same base, and you need another triangle which is half this one. Since they have the same base, so you're just going to divide the height. So if the height is 5, go to the center there, then you draw a parallel line which is parallel to MN. Draw a parallel line. I hope you know how to draw a parallel line which is parallel to MN, such that Q lies on this line. If you have a triangle, if you join to form a triangle there, you'll have the same base, but the height will be half, 5 cm. So Q lies on this parallel line such that triangle MQN will always be half triangle MLN.